Hi guys, what's up? Hope you're well, man, with your family. So a lot of people are sending messages to me that which hacker is the best? White hat hacker is the best, black hat hacker is the best, or grey hat hacker is the best. Which hacker is the best? That's what exactly you're going to find out in this video. So right now, like us, these are not only the three type of hackers. When I go to internet, when I search on the internet type of the hackers, then I'm going to find out hundreds of the type of the hacker. Somebody will tell you that there is gray hat hacker, there will be blue hat hacker, there will be red hat hacker. Man, you can be able to buy the hat of any color. So that's completely your choice. Perfectly. So let's talk about ethical hackers. Who are the ethical hackers? So people say ethical hackers are those people who always follow the rules and the regulation. So if you're in the India, whatever the IT act over there, whatever the law, if you are going to follow the law, then you are the white hat hacker. You are the ethical hacker. Perfect. The second type of hacker is called black hat hacker. So these are the type of people who never follow the law. They always do wrong stuff, man. They do the wrong stuff for some financial purpose, to gain some money, or maybe for the fun. So what exactly those people do? They hack into some system and they sell out their data on the darknet or some way. This is what the black hat hackers do. And black hat hackers are really bad people. And the third type of people are called grey hat hackers. So it's the combination of both of them. It's the combination of white hat hacker and the black hat hacker. So can you please determine the which type of the hacker I am? I don't have any hat anymore right now. I will buy my hat, and according to that hat, you can be able to judge me that which type of the hacker I am. So let me tell you the reality behind the type of the hackers. Perfectly. So people are those people who don't have any knowledge about the hacking. When you post something that I will teach you the hacking or you can be able to become hacker, the people who don't know even the ABCD of the cybersecurity, they are going to tell you that, hey, don't write the hacker word over there. Write ethical hacker. So I want to ask you a question. Is there any ethical murder? Like if you want to do some murder, then you can be able to do the ethical murder. It's not possible, man. How you can be able to do the ethical murder? How it's possible, baby? So it's not possible. So same as ethical hacker, like as if you are doing some hacking and you are doing ethical hacking, man, how it's possible? So I don't believe in those three type of words: black hat hacker, white hat hacker, gray hat hacker. All these type of words seems illusion for me. The reason is why, because if you are talking about any hacker, all those people, they use same tools and technology. Same, exactly the same way. If you are the white hat hacker, you're going to use the same tools and technology. If you are the black hat hacker, then you're going to use the same tools and technology. If you are the gray hat hacker, then you are going to use the same technology. So what's the difference? What the difference between all those three hackers? The only difference I can be able to find out is the intention of those people. If your intention is good, then you become white hat. If your intention is bad, you become gray hat. And if you change your intention time to time, sometimes you become the good, sometimes you become the bad, then you called as great hacker. So don't stop telling about the people that which type of the hacker you want to become. Stop asking to me that you want to become white hat hacker, gray hat hacker, black hat hacker. The thing is, like, it's no difference between both of them. The only difference you are having is the intention. So learn hacking and stop searching on the internet. Stop asking to the people. Stop telling people that write down ethical hacker, don't write down hacker. So that's my takeaway. So I want to ask you that which type of hacker do you want to become? Comment down right now. Either you want to do good work or you want to do some bad work. Tell me about that. Why exactly you want to learn hacking? What the motivation behind to learn hacking? What your vision to learn hacking? Write down every single thing, whatever you're having inside mind, your vision, why you want to learn hacking, and I will be picking the two people whom I will be gifting all of my courses for absolutely free. So in the comment section, you have to like this video, you have to subscribe to the channel, and you have to click on the bell icon so you can be able to get the notification whenever I come live. And don't forget to write down your motivation behind to become hacker, and I'll be selecting the two people whom will be getting all the courses for absolutely free. Cheers, man. Have a good Sunday and stay great.